we are talking about principles of eyebrows hair transplant surgery, and as I told you in many videos, I am not involved in eyebrow surgeries too much because in my clinic my partner Dr. Uzma Irfan has been doing hair transplant surgery for many years, and she been involved in eyebrows surgery, female hair transplants especially because most of the female patients, they are ignored by top doctors because and they need hair transplant surgery the most because statistically 35% of the female, they get bald at the age of 50. You see, at this young age, at 50 age, if they get bald and they need the hair most, they should be treated on priority basis. And look, we are 240 million population in Pakistan, and only one doctor, Dr. Uzma, is doing some paying some concentration on female hair transplant surgery, and she's been doing hair transplant surgery to the female eyebrows and hair transplant surgery on the scalp, and only one doctor. So we are actually ignoring the big part of hair transplant surgery, which is very much needed. Female, they need hair for styling, they need hair more for the parties, for celebrations, for functions, for everywhere. So I would appreciate our learned colleague that she's been paying some attention towards that scenario. I've been learning this eyebrows from herself, that she's been telling me that this could be the direction, this could be the angle, and this could be the way of doing hair transplant on eyebrows, from where it should be taken, like it should be taken from this area, it should be taken from this area. Donor area is different in eyebrows, and angle, direction, and laid on, and needling, and everything is different in eyebrows. So once you are interested in doing hair transplant surgery on eyebrows, you should be going to the expert who's been involved in that part of surgery for many years. Believe me, if some ladies come to me for consultation of eyebrow surgery, I refer her to the proper doctor, Dr. Uzma Irfan, so that she must be going to the proper experienced hands who she knows about a single graft placing in the eyebrows can change the whole scenario of the natural looking eyebrows. So you should be careful in choosing a doctor, especially for these special procedures. For example, I've been doing beard hair transplant for years. So I say to my beard patients that it is not about money, it is not about anything. It is about doing safe surgery on face and natural looking surgery on the face of the patient. So for these special procedures, you should be looking for the experts who've been involved in this procedure for years. Thank you very much.